Potato Club chicken? Grab a chicken thigh, remove the bone. Soak it in milk, add ginger, paprika, soy sauce diet and non-diet oyster sauce and salt. Marinate for 4 hours. Cut potatoes into long sticks, boil them briefly. Stuff the potatoes inside the chick. Mix flour plus rice flour. 1-to-1 for ultimate crunch. Add salt. Dip the chicken in egg. Coat with flour until it forgets it was once a regular thigh. Throw it in the air fryer, spray some oil, and cook until golden brown. Bite into it like a champion. This isn't just food. This is Potato Club chicken. Follow for more.